Hello, and thank you for joining us. Today we are continuing our series on the vine of Sodom and the fields of Gomorrah. This is the vine of the last days. And last video we talked about the vine of Sodom. The vine of Sodom, we said, is the vine of burning. And the word Sodom means burning. Their vine of the vine of burning. And the vine is the electrical system that is part of the last days vine. Their vine of the vine of Sodom. And the wires are actually called hot. They are called hot, correlating with the vine of Sodom, which means burning. Now, the next thing we want to look at is this is a two-part vine. It said for their vine of the vine of Sodom, of the vine of burning, and of the fields of Gomorrah. So, are there any fields associated with the electrical wiring, with the electrical system? Are there any fields associated with that? There are fields. There are fields created by the electrical system that we use to send signals, our wireless signals, our microwaves. That is made by the electricity flowing through the wire. And we see in this graphic here, the electricity flowing through the wire and the blue arrow downward creates or propagates a wave B in a certain direction. That is how we make our wireless signals. This is a graphic of an antenna going back and forth with the signal flipping from positive to negative, and you can see the green wave that is propagated from that movement of the electricity, the transfer from positive to negative. That is what's causing the wave. And we can see this again on this graphic, same idea, positive to negative, and that's how we propagate our waves, the microwaves. We use these, and they are the fields that we're using for their vine, of the vine of Sodom burning, and of the fields of Gomorrah. And the word Gomorrah means submersion. And we are indeed submerged in these waves, completely submerged, surrounded over our heads from satellite, from microwaves to radio towers all around us. And the word Gomorrah itself is Strong's number H6017, and it's a primitive root that means to heap. And that is what we've done. We have heaped up through these fields, the magnetic field, the electric field has been heaped up for our waves. It has been heaped up. It is the fields of Gomorrah. Gomorrah, the heaps, ruinous heaps, the field of ruinous heaps. That is what we have made. For their vine is of the vine of Sodom and of the fields of Gomorrah. And we can see these together all around us. Our houses, our businesses, as we travel down the road, we are surrounded by their vine and the fields that they have produced. Now, as we look around, we can see this all around us. The word of God has come to pass, and this is in his word, the writing. The writing is actually on the wall, literally for our generation. Just like in Daniel's day, where the writing was put on the wall right before the kingdom fell, the writing is on the wall for us. The writing is on the wall for our generation so that we can see it and understand it and know what's coming. This is for us to understand. We can see it now and we can read it now because we are in the time of the end. This is the time of the end. This is the vine of the latter days. Now you can see more of my videos on this YouTube channel or on signoffire.com or on yeshuaiscoming.com. And we're going to continue to break down this vine of the last days and the writing on the wall. Thank you very much for joining me. Until the next video.